Husqvarna is a famous Swedish manufacturer that dates all the way back to 1689. They engineer a wide variety of products including garden tractors, chainsaws and mowers. The company started making rifles and actually continued making guns right until 1989. The Swedish are known for their innovation, as anyone who has ever driven a Saab car will tell you. They are also known for robust and reliable engineering, as in their Volvo cars. They don't follow convention and like to do things their own way, and their sewing machines were no different. Husqvarna started making sewing machines in 1872, and so have a long history in this field. This is a Husqvarna Viking 19e zigzag, and as its name suggests, is a zigzag-capable machine. It was built sometime around 1960 and bears obvious 50s styling, as well as a fetching metallic green colour. The first thing to note is that the main body is one single casting, with no removable top, so it shows a feat of engineering to get all the workings in there. It must have been something akin to getting a ship in a bottle. As you can see, this is a free-arm machine with one of the narrowest arms ever produced, making stitching cuffs very easy. It also has an aluminium clip-on sewing bed. The 19E is also a rotary hook machine. Most machines, including most modern machines, use an oscillating hook to catch the thread and feed it over the bobbin, so the hook moves round so far and then moves back. With a rotary hook system, the hook spins right round in one direction. This gives a smoother running and quieter machine, and many people feel this system gives a better quality stitch. Husqvarna also claim that this machine's been specially engineered so the bobbin area never needs to be oiled, and that it's designed to be jam-proof. The plate that holds the bobbin case in has a special coating to reduce friction, and the bobbin case itself is free-moving and designed to have a lot of play. To wind the bobbin, remove the bobbin case and the bobbin. Place the spool of thread on the rearmost spool pin and pass the thread through the pigtail. Place the bobbin on the winding pin. This automatically disengages the needle bar drive. Take the thread down to the bobbin tension disc and pass it over the disc in a clockwise direction. Unwrap the thread over the bobbin a couple of times in an anti-clockwise direction. Press the foot pedal to wind the bobbin until you have sufficient thread on. When you have enough, snip the thread and remove the bobbin. This automatically re-engages the needle bar drive. Pulling the base of the bobbin winder outwards changes the gearing ratio to a slower speed. This is useful when precise control is needed, but it also has the added benefit of producing greater torque, therefore more piercing power. This superbly engineered machine is capable of sewing a wide variety of fabrics. Place the bobbin in the bobbin case with the thread coming off in an anti-clockwise direction, and pull the thread through the bobbin case tensioning spring until it appears in the centre slot. Then grip the centre of the bobbin case and place it into the race. You should hear it click into place. To thread the machine, place a spool of thread on one of the spool pins and bring it over the rear and front thread guides, and down to the right of the tension mechanism. Make sure the thread goes into the tensioning discs, then up over the check spring and down to the thread bar. Pass the thread from right to left through one of the holes in the take-up lever and down through the front pigtail guide, through the needle bar guide, and then thread the needle from front to back. Turn the hand wheel towards you to pick up the bottom thread. The controls on the front are the feed dog drop switch for darning and embroidery, stitch length control with push button reverse. This clips in and holds reverse and can be a little tricky to get used to. To the left of that is the needle position switch. Below the stitch length control is the stitch width control for zigzag width. And then to the front, there's the numbered tension settings. There's a light built in directly under the main arm of the machine, which is easily accessed when it's necessary to change the bulb. The 19e is a standard low shank machine, meaning it's easy to get a wide variety of feet for it, and it takes a standard 15x9 needle. The machine also has a heavy-duty 1.5 amp motor. The front face opens up for maintenance and to adjust the presser foot pressure. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my future uploads. Thanks for watching.